How to fix Tekken 7 lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First all you need to do, right click on Tekken 7, go to properties, go to compatibility, and then once you're here go to change settings of all users and enable those two options, disable full screen, and run this program as an administrator. And now click OK, and after that right click here, task manager, go to startup. Now close all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, like NordVPN or all the applications that you don't need, and that's it. If you want to disable it, right click on it and you will find here disable as you see, and if it's already disabled, just don't touch it. Now just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.